Gautam Raj Khawa bat ke Priyam Goswami ke bede kinong sengya ke Aananda Minati bat Suraj Raj Khawa Memorial Foundation ki khat application na ki reu pajba ki batre na ke benta ki bre ki bedan ya ke jingduna ha ki dekhat met da ke bapha ya ki video bala ring ha keno keno ke ten ke bahapo armet ha u number khandai pra ndreu iwe saw nyo not san ha bakran ha ki lat pathai khobor menta ke si ke arpsan trik lober arjar arkundreu ha Shillong Press Club u Gautam Bagila saknya kene ke foundation ban pensak kan mau ya ki kme ki pa namara ka por ki dangdon asla putai ke lelong ki bisngot tanat banle ya ki kam isen e ya ki para brio kene ke foundation le sangya ka halor kenong rem bakin le e ki kam isen e na ka benta ki bedan ya ke jingduna ha ki dkhot men ka foundation ka khot ya ka application na ki sang trei man sobha ki reshmet ki batre na ka benta ka bha kamyat jong bre ki bedan ya ke jingduna ha ka dkhot met khnang bakin la ban aya ka jingkershan pisa na ka benta ki to ki bre ban kenteu ya ka bha kamyat jong ki to ki bedan ke jingduna ha ka dkhot men ya ki application ki bala record da ka video ken pha sha ka foundation shwa ka arpun re trik unai weng arajar arpun riu ya ki application ki bala ki pha hala ka jong ka tien on sa pha sha ki nong bishar kanu ka kan hon ni ki rishmet ki bala trai ha ki kam ban yarap ya ki bedan jingduna ha ki dkhot met ka jingyarap pisa kam dei ka babon hendrei kan longkom ka jingkershan ya ki to ki batrai man smobha ka foundation ka dan ka jing angnot ba ka ni ka jingyarap kan long na ka benta baro pratli ki jalla ha ka than chate lamingi jong kri India ka Priyam Goswami kal ong ba ka Meghalaya ka de ka jalla ka baar ka ba kilawan ban bo ya ka ni ka jing tarwan lor ka jalla Assam ka ba kila sedang ningkong ban menta ki sedang wan leru sha ki wei ki jalla.
The foundation has been established in Guwahati, and it's in the loving memory of our parents, Minuti and Suresh Rajko. Now, their lives were guided by compassion, generosity, and a deep sense of responsibility towards others. Values that continue to shape everything we do. So, at the heart of the foundation, which is the Aananda Foundation, Aananda, as you probably would have guessed, is about joy. And this strapline for our foundation is the joy of sharing. And I'll come to why we're talking about joy of sharing. The essence of the foundation, or what drives us in the foundation, is that we feel that every child deserves a fair chance. And every child deserves to feel included, to be supported, and to live with dignity. And this is particularly more important for those children with disabilities who are often left in the margin. So we do recognize that across Northeast India there are a number of organizations and individuals who work round the clock with such children, and they work tirelessly to support not only the children but their families. And the driving force behind the foundation is that we would like to recognize the work of such individuals, try and support them through small grants and financial initiatives so that they can carry on with their work. It's not a massive amount of funding that we have, but in a small way, that's the way we want to start. Now, in addition to the fact that there is a financial grant which is available, the other guiding philosophy is that we wish to develop a community of such practitioners and scholars who are working in this area. So the pack that we have given you contains a couple of things. One is there's a poster at the back which tells what the grant is about, inviting applications. There are also two small sketches, biographical sketches of both our parents, to give you a context about who they were and why we have set up this foundation, and a small write-up to guide you for how you want to spread it to your wider audience. So we look forward to this partnership. We want to collaborate with more people, and that's why we are with you. We would like your support, your engagement, not only in what we are directly doing, but in also spreading the word, getting across to others in the Northeast who can engage with us,